I'm making a video every day until Cleetus invites me to the Freedom Factory. On this video, I'm going to teach you how to drill something round. Welcome back, everybody. Here's your tip for today. If you want to drill this round tube, you're going to drill and it's going to just walk off to the side. You're going to have a lot of trouble getting it drilled. It's not going to be in the right place and you're going to be very frustrated. So I'm going to give you 2 ways on how to accomplish this and make it look decent. All right, so option number 1 is the old standby. Take your punch, a hammer, and make yourself a nice little starting point there. Start with a small bit and that'll get you going. Option number 2, and you could do this pretty cleanly as well. Like if it's a 1/2 inch hole or something like that, it's going to cover this up. But you can actually take the cutoff wheel and put just a little flat spot on here. It doesn't need to be anything crazy. I want to show you guys before we drill. That's our little flat spot we put with the cutoff wheel. And this is just from the punch. So let me show you how those drill. Uh-oh. That worked great. We've got holes in here. It didn't go off to the side or anything. So that's how you do it. Quick tip for the day. Make sure you guys check out my other videos. Check out my Cleetus video. I'm doing a video every day until Cleetus invites me to the Freedom Factory. And check out my other build videos. I've built a bunch of stuff.